Number 221. A and B are two heavy steels. If B is placed on the top of A, the weight increases by 60%. How much weight will reduce with respect to the total weight of A and B if B is removed from the top of A? So pause the video and try to answer. So here are the choices: 60%, 45.5%, 40%, 37.5%, and 25%. Okay, so let us draw the figure. So we have A and B are two heavy steels. If B is placed on top of A, so let's say this is the A, this is A, and then we put B. B is smaller, so we put B on top of A. So B is smaller because the weight increases by 60%. Okay? If if B is placed on the top of A, the weight increases by 60%. So that means the letter A, this will be the 100%. Or let the weight be 100. So that is easy to solve the 60%. So the 60% of 100, that is equal to 60. So therefore, the total of A plus B is equal to 160. Okay? So now we want to find the how much weight will reduce with respect to the total weight of A and B with respect to the total weight 160 if B is removed from the top of A. Okay? So if we will remove this 60, so what is the reduce of weight? Okay? So therefore we just divide this. So we have 60 divided by the total. The total is 160. Okay? So just convert this in percent. 60 over 160, we can cross out the 10. So we have 6 over 16. And then we can still reduce this to lowest term. We can divide both by 2. So 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 16 divided by 2, we have 8. And then just convert this to percent. So let's convert first to decimal. So just divide. 3 divided by 8. So let's put 3 zeros. Put the decimals here. So 3 divided by 8, that is 0. 30 divided by 8, that is equal to 3. 3 times 8, we have 24. Subtract, we have 6. Bring down 0. 60 divided by 8, that is equal to 7. 7 times 8 is equal to 56. Subtract. So we have 60 minus 56, we have 4. Bring down 0. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Then convert this to percent. 0.375 to convert to percent, just move the decimal point 1, 2, and then put the percent symbol. Therefore, we have 37.5%, and that is letter D. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa, i-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito na mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.